The cosmic dance began not with a bang, but with a breath. In the beginning, there was only the vast, silent sea of primordial existence. The Hindu Vedas call it the Mula Prakriti, the unmanifested state, where the three gunas, sattva, rajas, and tamas, lay in perfect, motionless balance. It was a state of pure potential, a cosmic womb awaiting its time. Within this quietude, the breath of Brahman stirred. A singular thought, an impulse of divine will, rippled through the cosmic waters. This was not a physical event, but a metaphysical one, a vibration that resonated with a name that had not yet been spoken, Aum. This sacred sound, the eternal mantra, was the first stir of creation. It was the moment the balance of the gunas was disturbed and the cosmic dance began. This single, all-encompassing vibration, Aum, mirrors what science calls the initial singularity. In that unimaginable point, smaller than a pinprick and denser than anything we can comprehend, all the matter and energy of the universe was contained. It was a point of pure potential, just as the Mula Prakriti was. The laws of physics as we know them had not yet taken form. From that singularity, the cosmic breath expanded. This was the Mahavirat, the great expansion, a sudden and violent unfolding. Science calls this the Big Bang. In the first moments, the universe was an inferno of unimaginable heat and energy. Quarks and leptons, the fundamental particles, swirled in a plasma hotter than a million suns. This was the cosmic fire, the Agni, mentioned in the Vedas, the very essence of creation and transformation. As the universe expanded, it cooled. The initial cosmic fire began to settle. The gunas took on their active roles. Rajas, the principle of action and change, drove the expansion. Tamas, the principle of inertia and mass, began to gather the swirling particles. And Sattva, the principle of balance and harmony, started to organize the chaos. Quarks began to clump together to form protons and neutrons. For a brief, magical period, the universe was a nuclear furnace, fusing hydrogen into helium. This was the cosmic alchemy, the divine Leela or play of Brahman's creation. As the universe continued to cool, electrons could finally be captured by the atomic nuclei. The first atoms were born, and the universe became transparent for the first time. The cosmic microwave background radiation, the lingering warmth of the Big Bang, streamed out into the emptiness, a silent testament to the universe's fiery birth. As eons passed, the universe continued to expand and cool. Gravity, the force of Tamas, began to exert its pull on the scattered hydrogen and helium clouds. In the darkest reaches of space, these clouds began to collapse under their own weight. This was the birth of the rishis, the seers of the cosmos, the first stars. In their fiery hearts, a new alchemy began. They forged heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, the very building blocks of life. When these stellar titans reached the end of their lives, they exploded in magnificent supernovae, scattering their creative essence across the cosmos, seeding the next generation of stars and planets. This is the eternal cycle of creation and dissolution, the cosmic dance of Brahma. The universe expands for a kalpa, an eon of unimaginable length, filled with the birth and death of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the emergence of life. And at the end of this cycle, the universe will contract, pulled back by a force of unimaginable power, into a point, a singularity once more. This is the pralaya, the dissolution, when all things return to the silent, motionless sea of Mula Prakriti, a state of perfect balance and peace awaiting the next breath of Brahman. The story of the cosmos is not just one of science and physical laws, but of a divine play, a rhythmic dance of creation and destruction, a breath exhaled and inhaled by the very soul of the universe. It is a story where the scientific observation of a single singularity and a violent expansion echoes the ancient wisdom of a cosmic breath and a sacred sound. Aum, forever resonating through the heart of all that is.